The best time to use Roof Maxx is when the shingles look dry or faded, there are granules in your gutter or downspouts, or when you see algae streaking. This can be a sign of dry or brittle shingles. A Roof Maxx treatment can extend the usable life of your asphalt shingles while helping you avoid the high costs of total roof replacement. It's about buying you more time before you need to replace your existing roof. Your roof has to be a good candidate for Roof Maxx. Roof Maxx isn't for roofs that are already failing. A lot of people wait until a leak shows up or major damage spreads. But once that happens, restoration options are less feasible, and expensive replacement may be the only realistic path. Roof Maxx can make sense when your roof is aging but mostly intact, with no widespread missing or severely damaged shingles. Your shingles are showing signs of drying out or brittleness. You only have minor roof damage. Our tune-up process can correct issues like lightly damaged shingles or nail pops before the Roof Maxx treatment is applied. Or you want to delay replacement for budgeting or timing reasons, like a planned sale or renovation. Roof Maxx usually isn't the right call when there are widespread active leaks or rotten decking, severe storm damage across large areas, or major structural or installation issues that require replacement. But for roofs that are strong candidates, the benefits are significant. Some shingles treated with Roof Maxx can enjoy up to 15 extra years of life with applications once every 5 years. Others may only benefit from a single treatment or two. Each treatment extends shingles by 5 years. If you're on the fence, don't guess based on your roof's age alone. Schedule a dealer inspection to confirm your home's candidacy for Roof Maxx before you commit to replacement. Many homeowners who choose restoration have successfully extended the life of their existing shingles and put costly replacement off for years. Visit roofmaxx.com to learn more and find a dealer near you.